Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to stop sharing mobile internet to your laptop. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here on your PC. So click on here. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on the internet access. So click on the Wi-Fi icon. So once you click on the Wi-Fi icon, this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on disconnect right here. Click on disconnect. Other people might be able to share info you send over this network, connect automatically. Now you have successfully disconnected the mobile hotspot. So by the time I come back right here, I click on here, you can see now that no not connected connections are available right here. Now, for you to completely stop sharing the internet connection from your mobile, you want to make sure you go ahead and then tap on here, then swipe down. Then this is going to pop up right here. Make sure you turn off your hotspot. Once you turn off your hotspot, automatically you have stopped sharing your mobile data from your phone to your laptop. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.